Greetings, everyone. This tip has to do with ACT marketing automation, and this tip originated because I was asked this question by a client. And just so you know, there are certain things in ACT that I rarely, if ever, do, and sometimes I have to stop and I said to my client, I have to revisit this. I need to look at this because I just don't remember the right way to approach this. So when you're using ACT marketing automation, a lot of times what we'll do is we'll create a campaign, we'll create an email, sort of what I would call a template, and we'll take that and we'll send it out to a number of contacts in our database. But even though that campaign has an email template that's been created, unless you save that particular template as a template, and I know the wording can get thrown off a little bit here, but unless you save it as a template that can be used repeatedly, then this next step you cannot do. So let me show you what I'm referring to. I have my contact on the screen. And let's say that I have a template that I've saved in ACT Marketing Automation. And instead of creating a campaign and sending it out to multiple people, I just want to send that template to this one contact. Well, you'll notice down below on the different tabs, there's a tab called Campaign Results. And I don't send myself emails, so you don't see any results here. But if I click on the Marketing Automation tab, there is an option here in which you can send an email. So in a nutshell, what would happen is this is a one-off email that you can just send to this individual contact. So to do that, you have to click on this drop-down, and this is where my client ran into the issue. It appeared that even though he used ACT Marketing Automation all the time, he hadn't taken one of the emails that he had created, the template for that particular campaign, and saved that email template as a template. Now, I know that doesn't make sense, but trust me when I say there's an extra step to actually save it as a template that you can use over and over and over again. So in this case, I have this ACT Tip 2021 that's saved as a template. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on Import Template. Once this comes in, I have the ability to come up, put something in the subject line, and I'm going to just type in test 2. And at this point, I can click on send email. So when I click on send email, that email is going to go out. Now, one of the things that happens when you do it this way, you can't get any statistics on what happened with this particular email. Did the person open it? Did they read it? What happened? That's the only confirmation you get, is that it was successfully sent out. So that's an example of how you can send a one-off email to a contact with inside ACT Marketing Automation. Frankly, it's the kind of thing I rarely use, but it's something you could use. Anyhow, my name is Tony Holowitz, 781-728-9777, if you have any questions. Thank you very much. Everyone have a great day. Bye now.